Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video I'll show you how to retweet a Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description as shown right there, Amazon deals and the Amazon Prime trial. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to retweet Twitter app. First, we start by opening up your Twitter app. Once you open up your Twitter app, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. You can retweet like anything that you prefer to retweet. Basically, there's a lot of stuff that you can retweet. So for me, I want to retweet on this one. As you look there in the middle where there's the circle, where there's the comment section, where's the retweet, and where's the heart. Within the middle, click there where there's where it shows like the arrow going around on a triangle right there. So first you're gonna see where they show like the comments. Like I'm looking at this post right here. It shows like the comments right there. Comments area. There's a retweet where it show like the arrow going around, and there's the heart. So within the middle, look, tap there where they show like the arrow going around. Tap there. Then they're gonna ask you want to quote tweet or retweet, and tap here which says retweet. As it show right there, the arrow is pointing around, and press there and you retweet. Once you retweet, you're gonna show like a color right there, like a green color. Make sure that it shows that. And that's how you retweet a Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription. You can find them in my video description. As I said earlier, you'll be a way for you to save some money. And thank you for watching.